Welcome back with a new lesson 8.1 linear equations with two variables. Our lesson objectives: 1. To find ordered pairs of numbers that are solutions to a linear equation with two variables. 2. To plot points in the number plane. First thing we want to talk about is the linear equation with two variables. Such an equation can be written as x plus y equals to 5. This is an example for a linear equation with two variables. We called it linear equation because this equation can be presented as a straight line if we want to draw it. For example, the point 3 and 2. This is an ordered pair. The first number represents x and the second number represents y. If this point lying on the line which its equation is x plus y equal 5, then x and y inside this ordered pair satisfies this equation. So to say that this ordered pair is a solution for this equation, we should go and substitute with the values of x and y inside the equation. So writing the equation again, but instead of x we will write 3, instead of y we will write 2, finding out the result, which is 5. So we can say yes, this point is a solution for this equation. You may be asked to find a number in ordered pair so that this ordered pair is a solution for such an equation. For example, if you are given that you have x is 8, so what is the value of y? Substituting in the equation, so 8 plus y equals to 5. Finding out what is the value of y, so y is equal to 5 minus 8, and this will give us negative 3. So we can say that our ordered pair must be 8 and negative 3. Let us take another example on this. If we have this linear equation, negative 2x plus 5y equals 10. Complete the ordered pairs given to you. If the first ordered pair is 5 and we want to find the value of y, the second ordered pair is negative 3, and also we want to find the value of y. Substituting in the equation, so we will say negative 2, instead of x we will substitute by 5 plus 5y equals to 10, and then we will say that we have negative 10 plus 5y equals to 10. Taking negative 10 to the other side, 5y is equal to 10 plus 10, which is 20. Dividing both sides by 5, we will have that y is equal to 10. So we found the y coordinate inside this ordered pair, so it is 5 and 10. Let us do the same steps for the next point. We will substitute in x, so we have here 6 plus 5y equals to 10. Taking 6 to the other side, we will have 5y equals to 4. Dividing by 5 both sides, so y is equal to 4 over 5. So we have 4 over 5 in the y coordinate in our ordered pair. Look to this linear equation. In our study in this chapter 8 and chapter 9, we usually are going to need any linear equation written solved for y, because it will be easier for us to find the slope, the y-intercept, to draw it, and to solve it. So we must know how to solve a linear equation for y. Solving this equation for y in terms of x, this means that you should isolate y in one of the sides alone, and everything take it away to the other side. So we begin by transferring 2x to the other side, and this will be 3y equals to negative 2x plus 6. Now try to get rid of 3 by dividing by 3 all terms inside the equation. Now we can isolate y alone, and we have here negative 2 over 3x plus 2. And this is the solution for y for this linear equation. Let us do another example. Solve for y, negative 3x plus 5y equals 25. So first step is to transfer negative 3x to the other side. The equation is going to be 5y equals positive 3x plus 25. Dividing all terms by 5, this will make our equation y equals 3 over 5 x plus 5. You should practice more than one equation to solve it for y, so you will have the skill and it will be easy in the future questions. Looking now to this picture on the board, we can see a number plane. This plane, we can locate any point we want on this plane by representing it with an ordered pair. For example, if we have a point in this place here and we call it A, what is the coordinates of the point A? We can represent it by a value of x and a value of y. So what is the values of x and y? We look to the corresponding value on the x coordinate. We find it 4. So we put instead of x positive 4, and also the corresponding value for y on the y coordinate is positive 5. So the y coordinate is 5. Let us find the coordinates of another point. For example, this point P. So this is point A, now point B. We will do the same thing, looking to the corresponding value on the x-axis, which is negative 6, and the value on the y-axis is negative 2. So our ordered pair for point P is negative 6 and negative 2. Also, if we have a point which we know its coordinates, such as point C, which is the point negative 3 and positive 5. Let us try to plot this point on the plane. We move from the center of the plane, which is the origin. We move to the left because x is negative 3. So we move 3 units to the left, and then we go up 5 units because it is positive 5. If it is negative, we will go down. So we go up 5 units, and then we can locate the wanted point in this place, which is the point C. Let us do another one. Point D. Plot the point 3 and negative 6. So we move 3 units to the right since x is positive 3. Y is negative 6, so we will move down 6 units, and this is the place of point D. By this we reach the end of our lesson. Thank you.